Just wanted to make a quick video about my Discord servers. I talk about them a lot in my videos, so I thought I'd just give you a show of what I've got in each one of them. I just launched a second Discord server that is my private trading journal. So I post everything that happens in a day, how I'm feeling, my thoughts, how I manage them. I post all kinds of, I'll show you in a second. I post all kinds of stuff in there for study purposes. And I make that available to my members. So this is my main server. This whole Discord server is free. We have all kinds of stuff in here. I've got introductions. We can introduce ourselves. I've got my entire story about how I became a trader and the process through that. Different prop firm links and things like that. Obviously, I don't have any premium content really. It's just the passive stuff. I'm not out here to try to get money out of you or anything like that. But we've got a live market chat where we talk about price every single day as it's, playing through the candles, live time. We talk about a couple different strategies here, just different ones that we like. I got a whole psychology section, free education like ICT resources, trade copying. I've got a video on the trade copier and how to get that all set up with a guide and everything in my channel if you want to go check that out. My different YouTube uploads and things like that. And then the one of the newer places here in this Discord server is called Lux University. And this is certainly meant for newer traders, but really anybody can join. This is free. It's one-on-one teachings. You join the classroom and you talk about what your trading plan is and your biggest struggles, whether it be psychology, holding on to trades, taking losses, not knowing enough stuff. So you're confused on where to enter or you just whatever it is. And I sit there one-on-one with you and we talk about, whatever it is. We form a trading plan for you. And we do, weekly updates and assignments, and we have one-on-one sessions, things like that. So if you're interested in a really direct teaching with me and the other students can comment and help you out too. Pop in here and give that a look. So my trading journal, we'll go back to the top here. My trading journal, like I said, has got everything that I find, in a day and my trades and things like that. This is a really quick 5-step process to how to get started with the server. There's a lot of channels and a lot of information here, which is kind of why I wanted to make this video. I've got a glossary of ICT terms or terms that you may find in the things that I type or the things that we talk about in the main server. I've got this entire detailed explanation, step-by-step plan for exactly how I trade. Every thought, every piece, every detail that goes into it, and then a few examples. And then what's next? This is exactly how to learn how to trade just like me. And really the best way that I think you should trade with ICT concepts, and that's the market maker model. So I've got currently in the process of releasing a market maker series on YouTube, but I've got a whole bunch of other videos and channels and things for you to study in here to help you to be able to trade like that. So again, as we move down, we've got all the green stuff. This is every month of the year, 2024, and I go through every single day, and I post a screenshot of what happened that day, whether I traded or not, what my trades were, executions if they're still on the chart, with evals and prop firms and things like that. Once the market closes, your executions go away, and I can't get those. So sometimes you see a position tool here, but this was a trade that I took to pass my 250K eval, and I talk about that a little bit and how I felt, things like that. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. I go through all the entry models that I find in a day, different, like a unicorn setup, OTE that happened, some turtle soups, silver bullets, 2022 models, things that I find throughout the day. We have a huge focus on power of 3, so I go through and find examples of power of 3 on different time frames, weekly, monthly, daily, 4-hour, how the news events play out, how price is affected by certain news events. All of this did just start in late April, early May. So some of the data, some of these haven't even happened yet for me to track. We talk about standard deviation and how that's delivered. And then, of course, examples on market maker models, which has probably got the most stuff in it. So I update this every single day with multiple posts about everything that I see, so you can study with as much detail as I can provide, as well as a very detailed guide on exactly how I trade and how to learn how I trade and follow along with me. So if any of this is of interest to you, this private Discord channel is only $5 a month, and it's all through Discord. So you just go, when you get in here, you'll land on one of these channels. I don't remember what the first channel is that you'll land on. I don't even have any rules or anything, but you'll see that it'll direct you to sign up for $5 a month. That's really all it is, and it's probably one of the most valuable things you'll ever come across, to be able to study somebody actually trading, live executions, live thoughts, how they manage them. It's not just about posting up my wins every day. There's losses in here. There's struggles in here. There's psychology stuff, all in here, and how to try to help manage that, and just show that people out there on YouTube, being visible and making publicity and things like that, they're not perfect, and neither am I. And I'm not going to try to show it or pretend to be. You'll see my struggles. You'll see my faults. You'll see my losses and things like that. And that's how you grow as a trader. So anyway, if you're interested in that, the link in the description will take you to my main Discord. And then there's a channel right at the top that says Lux Capital's Private Trading Journal. Read this. And if you're interested, go ahead and join up. All right. Thanks for checking it out. Have a good day.